औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल है? ठीक ठाक हैं? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन, हम भी सब खैरियत से हैं, ठीक ठाक हैं हम। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग डियर व्यूअर्स, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? आई होप you are doing fine. We are doing also fine. So nice of you. After a long time, I'm making this second video, dear viewers. So today I'm going to review one more product, which is Denim White Revitalizing Shower Gel Active Clean. So this is 250 ml, and this is also, प्यारे दोस्तों, Italian product है, imported one. I love this product. I'm using this from long time. This is very high quality product, Italian product, Denim company. Like I reviewed already deodorant of Denim, so today this is Denim shower gel. Result is very nice, and I'm very satisfied with this. If you like to try this, you can try and let me know in under this comments, how did you like it. So how is everything? Everything is okay, thank God, everything is all right. I'm feeling much better now, so that's why I'm uploading video. Next time also I will try my best to upload videos on different topics and different things. So please take care. If you love this video, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So nice of you. Please take care of yourself. प्यारे दोस्त, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा, और इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ आपसे दोबारा रब्ता होगा इंशाल्लाह। तो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। सो नाइस ऑफ यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय।